First, there are 7 tablespoons of wheat flour. There are 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, enough water, and lastly, there is baking soda. This is how to make it. First, prepare the flour, then add enough water. Stir until the mixture thickens. And this video is deliberately made by me, guys. After that, we add sugar and sweetened condensed milk. Then stir again until evenly distributed. It feels like the dough is evenly distributed. Then we add enough baking soda. Stir again until evenly distributed. Finally, we cover with a cloth less than up to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes half baked, we open it and we replace the spoon with a bigger size and a concave shape, which will form a round shape on the pancakes later. This is stirred again, okay? Put the Teflon on the stove, turn on the stove over low heat. Then after the Teflon is hot, we pour the mixture into the Teflon. Wait until the dough forms like a honeycomb, then turn the dough over. Do this repeatedly until the pancakes batter runs out. Everything is cooked, then we sprinkle powdered sugar, milk, and chocolate sprinkles on top to beautify these pancakes. And finally, pancakes are ready to be enjoyed.